G'day, I'm Leon Holmes, and today I wanted to demonstrate my Pochade boxes. I've been painting now outdoors for about 25-30 years, and over the years I've developed these paint boxes to be light and very easy and quick setup. They come in 3 different sizes, but this is the one that I'm using at the moment. This is the Boomer box. It's the largest of the 3 sizes. It's attached to a tripod and it simply opens up like this. And we're away to go and ready to paint. It has a magnet on the side here for holding your palette knife, a number of holes for locating your brushes and holding them so that when you want to paint, you've got the complete freedom to paint and hold the one tool and everything's out of your way, nice and clean. This box is set up for me, I'm a left-hander. You'll notice that all my tools are on the right-hand side. This is there for a reason. And the reason being is that if the tools were on my left, I would be constantly fouling into them and bumping them. So when you're ordering a box, if you're a right-handed painter, you order a right-handed box. If you're a left-handed painter, you order a left-handed box, and we'll set that up for you. One of the unique things about my design is that the mounting point is on the vertical panel of the box. It's not mounted into the bottom. This means that the substrate here that I'm painting on is sturdy and balanced. This is just held here with gravity. It has a little bit of a bounce and a spring to it, but it doesn't take long to get used to. At the moment we have a 8x16 inch panel in there, which is a 20 by 40 centimetre panel. If I was painting, I would have the painting up like this so that it's up nice and high, and again I'm not fouling into the paints down below. The boxes are designed at different sizes for different size panels, but this particular box I can carry 2 wet paintings in, and all of the boxes you can get at least 2 panels in. But this particular box I can get a 9x12, or in this particular case it's an 8x12, 20 by 30 centimetre panel, and the 8x16, which is 20 by 40 centimetre panel. And I can carry both of those as wet paintings in the box. We put one face in here, and then with the other one on top of that facing out. So I've got the opportunity to have 2 panels in there wet. Due to the recesses in the box, they're sitting back and you can close the box up without getting paint on your painting. People often ask me, can you carry a larger panel or a smaller panel in the boxes? And yeah, sure, it's very easy actually. Here's a 12 by 16 inch or a 30 by 40 centimetre panel. And that'll hold in there like that. I like to take with me a extra clamp and just clip it on there, and it just gives that extra bit of support. Or if I was painting in this format, I can paint this way. And there's really no end to how big a panel you want to put in there. You can hang it out the sides, it doesn't really matter. But I do recommend just getting your hands on a little clamp from any general hardware or store. We also have the smallest of our boxes, which is the Joey. I've named them after kangaroos, by the way. The Boomer, the Skippy and the Joey. And this here's the Joey, and this is ideal for that little day trip where you're not necessarily going out painting, but you do want to take your paint gear. And this one's great because it can be handheld. It's got a little thumb hole here. You've got your paint brushes here, your palette knife on here, load her up with paint, and away you go. You can paint as you like. And we've got the in-between size, which is the Skippy, which can also be used as a handheld box if you wanted to. The simplicity of a simple camera tripod as a stand. You put your camera release plate, screw that into the provided screw jack that's on the box, and it simply locks in there like that. Open her up, lock it in the locator lug, open the box, and you're ready to paint. So you can find these available on our website at leonholmesart.com.au, and while you're at it, don't forget to check out our aprons, and I look forward to seeing you out there with the brushes.